Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and making profits with crypto. Guys, we all have been mining in Hamster Kombat and it is almost at the final stage. From here, very soon we will see the token launch. So keep claiming daily cipher code, combo cards and of course the minigame puzzle as well. Here in this video, we are going to share today's cipher code and puzzle solution for you. So watch the full video to understand everything, and if you find this video helpful then please like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all the upcoming updates and videos. Guys, we believe you find this video helpful, so please like this video and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell icon to stay updated with daily cipher codes, combo cards and mini games, and share this video with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.